Good morning, this is Finn. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, nandito tayo sa Cainta. We have here this single attached property. Okay, lot area is 123 square meter. Ayan. So good for 2-car garage. Dalawang SUV na malaki, kasyang-kasya. Actually, maluwag pa. Pwede pa yung may motor. May papasok pa yung motor sa loob. Okay. Punta tayo sa ating ground floor. So ito yung ground floor. Dito yung inyong lanay area. Dito yung kitchen area. Oops. Meron tayo ditong full toilet and bath. Common. Dito sa ground floor. Then ito yung ating meets room. Or kung may kasama po kayong senior, yan. Adult room. Ayan. Maluwag to. Then service area. Ay yung setback papunta ron sa ating lanay area. May si kuya. Ay mukha ng video. Okay, akit tayo sa ating second floor. Ito yung first bedroom natin, dito sa second floor. Maluwag yan. Ayun yung kanyang ceiling. Katabi lang is yung common bathroom para sa 2 bedrooms. Then, meron tayong family area. Yan. Ito yung ceiling, second floor. Pansin ko, wala pa siyang built-in cabinet. Yun lang naman yung kulang. Pero pwede naman natin sigurong i-negotiate kay owner, kay seller. So ito yung ceiling para sa ating master's bedroom. Ito yung space. We have here the your walk-in closet po and your private bathroom para sa ating master's bedroom. Then meron kayong balcony. Ito siya. Right? Okay, so for interested buyers, message lang po. It's 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. By the way, yung price po is 9 million po. Okay? 9 million lang. Pwedeng cash, pwede pong bank financing. Alright? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.